In today's video, I'm going to teach you schedule Reddit posts using free tools. If you've ever had a great idea for a Reddit post, but the timing wasn't quite right, scheduling can really help. Maybe your audience is most active when you're busy, asleep, or at work. By scheduling your post, you can still reach people at the best possible time without needing to be online yourself. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that using Reddit's built-in scheduling option and a completely free workflow, so you don't have to pay for any third-party tools. First, head over to Reddit in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account you want to post from. Take a moment to think about where you want to post. Is it your own profile or a specific subreddit? Once you know that, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll compose your post. When the creation window opens, you'll see a space for your title at the top and a larger box underneath for the body of your post. Start by typing in a clear, descriptive title that tells people exactly what your post is about. Then, in the main text area, type the content of your post. You can write out your full message, add links, or format your text as needed. Take your time here, because whatever you write now is what will go live later when the post is published. Once you're happy with your title and your content, look just below the main text box. Among the icons there, you should see a small clock symbol. This is the scheduling option. Click on the clock icon and a scheduling panel will appear. Here, you can choose the exact date and time you want your post to go live. Set the date and time that works best for your audience. It can help to think about when that subreddit is most active or when people in the main time zone you're targeting are usually online. Double check that the time zone shown is correct for you, so your post doesn't go out earlier or later than you planned. After you've confirmed the schedule,